beginners, especially, let's say, for a minimum of 2 to 3 people going overlanding, aside from the equipment that we have here, the ref and the tent, ano pa yung mga must-have na additional equipment slash gamit na kailangan nilang dalhin?
So, like this one, yung mga plates, nabili lang sa grocery. So, we minimize yung mga disposable plates para syempre, yung trash natin, hindi natin iniiwan sa campsite. We bring it and dispose it properly.
Okay. Do we keep in stock flashlights, lamps, may additional tent ba tayo na kailangan na dalhin just in case of emergency?
We have mga headlamp, flashlight, and yung mga camping lamp na sa table or yung mga sinasabit. Ngayon marami nang mabibili sa mga malls, may mga rechargeable LED na rin. But we also bring pang emergency yung light stick, yung pag pinutol mo umiilaw. So that's for emergency. And or of course mga like insect repellent, first aid kit, mga ganon.
Okay.
Just in case na minsan syempre nagpe-prepare ka ng food, mayroon kang knife. So nasugatan, mga ganyan, hindi maiwasan.
We mentioned the necessities of overlanding already. Meron ba mga shops na mapagbibilhan nito? At least for the starters out there na naghahanap ng medyo affordable shops where you can buy these.
So first of all, syempre meron yan sa Mototesto.
Meron.
But aside from Mototesto, may mga outdoor shop out there na marami din silang gamit na mabibili mo, mga tent, ilaw. There are plenty. Sa ngayon, ang dami ng outdoor shop na meron sa Philippines. Yeah.
Let's talk about figures, Tim. Ballpark estimate of how much you will spend if you're planning to customize your car.
So, if you have a car already, yung pinaka-basic, less than 30, kaya na.
Less than
you
30.
have you buy a decent ground tent, an awning, tables, chairs, you bring your cooler, and then all the mga ilaw, mga utensils. Kaya na.
This
to
is
start with.
okay. This is the most basic of
yes.
like equipment that you can put in the car. 30,000, at least that's a start.
Yes,
Diba?
that's a start.
That's a start. So that gets you started with overlanding. Pagkatapos nun, saka ka na lang
Mag-upgrade. Oh, as you go on, you want your experience more convenience, more easy to open and close, then dun nagdadagdag ng mga drawer, slider, instead of putting a crate, meron ng designated cargo storage.
For everybody out there na hindi pa na-experience yung overlanding and they wanna spend right away, can you guarantee that what they're gonna spend is worth it?
Actually, it's very worth it. Lalo na especially if you're a family, dinala nyo yung kids, instead of nasa bahay lang, laging naka-computer or iPad,